Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and it is day 4 of the jump rope challenge. We back to doing 75 jumps today. We about to knock this out. You can see I got it posted right here, the actual challenge that I'm doing. I'll put a link to where you can find the same challenge. And like I said, this is part of a playlist, so you can just follow along if you want to do it day by day. You can do it with me. Alright, so let's get to work. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get it.